All right, everyone, welcome back. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but anybody remember that TV series Stargate? It was actually a pretty good series, especially for its day. Lasted like what, 10 seasons or some crap. I don't know. It was on for a while. Um, well, they started making a game, and I do know that there was some controversy. I guess I don't know, embezzling funds, all kinds of crap going on. So they ended up scrapping the game. It was a fantastic idea. I mean, you had unlimited worlds to go to with the Stargate. There's so many stories, so many quests they could have done, and somebody screwed it up. I remember at one point I was reaching out trying to figure out if I could get the IP. And yes, that is true. I did reach out a long time ago and try, but I wasn't getting any replies, and I'm guessing that's just because they were all sour on the idea after what had happened. Okay, so anyway, let's see if we can't make something happen. Or at least with what was there, or what these people were redoing here. So, what are my virtual machines? We are back on puzzles. Alright, let's go into the console here. Alright, I haven't actually done anything. Let's see, delete that stuff. Team OS. Okay, alright, so now let's get the files real quick here. I already downloaded the files. I don't know if they're right, if they're wrong. I don't know what the hell they are. So, oh, wait, they're not on downloads. They're on my network. Turn it on. Come on. There we go. Yep. They are stored on JJ. And we diagnose. It does absolutely nothing, but it seems to work. If I close it, now it opens. Oh, okay. Well, it would have opened. There, now it opens. Now storage. Stargate Worlds, not Star Wars Galaxy. Copy those here to the desktop. That may take a minute. There we go. Like, come on now, get a move on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that and put that down here so I can look at the instructions here while we move on. Okay, so it says download the client, which I did, and we're currently doing that right now. Then it says navigate to shooter files, prerequisites, and install DirectX, UE3, and VC Redist. All right, visual code or visual whatever the hell it's called. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna do this straight on the C drive. Come on, get the fuck out of here. God damn Windows. I want the damn C drive. There we go. We're going to... What are we looking for? Where the hell? Seriously? I can't... Oh, that's the DVD drive. I'm like, what the hell? Why is there... Alright, give me the C drive. Ah, I did the DVD drive again. Go back. Go back. Sorry, it's been a long day. I'm tired. I was wondering why I can't create a damn folder. New folder. Let's call it Stargate. I'm just going to take shooter and drop it directly in there. I don't know what the hell's going on with this thing. Not that I care, as long as it works. You know, when I got 2 instances up, how the hell did I get 2 windows of that? All right, whatever. Come on. Yep, that's definitely taking forever. Well, there's prerequisites. I mean, I gotta wait till it's done because I don't know where. You know, if it's finished those files, it's doing other stuff, so we'll wait. All right, I'm gonna pause this while this thing's actually copying over. Hold on. All right, well, that took an unusually long time, so probably so will the installs. But anyway, all right. So I said to go on over here and install this stuff. So let's go ahead and let's do that, shall we? No, we want it admin mode. That's the only way to install this kind of crap. I mean, where I want to place them. I don't know, on the C drive? I don't give a shit. All the stuff gets installed, right? Okay. UE3. Wow, what are they on, like 5 now? Yeah, it's definitely old. Yeah, I hope this works on a running it on a server like this. I haven't tried this at all. Why would UAC block this crap? All right, well, I don't really care because, you know, it's a virtual machine. I'm going to delete it when we're done anyway. How do I turn the damn thing off? All right, well, I don't need this. Stop. Man, this is like really bad today. I may have to restart this whole video. I'm just tired and don't feel like it. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Start without my data. No. Fuck that. Go. No. Thank you. Let's try that again. What was I doing? Run as administrator. Sorry, I know I'm a little bit saltier than usual in this video. Uh, just I gotta decide to get a Unify router. It's really cool. It's really complicated. I already disabled it. How do I disable the damn thing? I mean, I put never notify, applies, apps try to install software. Okay. Alright, well, let's do this again. Disable UAC. I thought it was like right there. Let's go look on a web page. Well, I guess I went through that anyway. You know, always pay attention to what websites you go to. Me, I don't care because, like I said, it's a virtual machine, so it doesn't really matter to me. See, I did that. Alright, well, let's try the GP edit method. Stop messing with me. Oh, I need to go up a little bit more. Alright, damn you. Alright, computer configuration, Windows settings. Alright, Windows settings. Security settings, local policies. Security options. Okay. Double click user account control. Run all administrators in admin approval mode. Okay. It's enabled. Disable. Okay. Apply. Okay. Give that a shot. Oop. All right. Let's restart then. All right. This is ridiculous. All this to install something that they stopped back in like 2018 or some crap, and I think it's earlier than that they stopped it, and these people stopped developing the team deathmatch and stuff like that in 2022. All right, I'm gonna pause it again so you don't have to watch this. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. Okay, let's open this. I suffer so you don't have to. Well, okay, you're suffering by watching my video. Um, Stargate shooter files prereqs. Let's try this again. Funny thing is, this should be like a 10-minute install. I mean, I wonder why this DirectX needs user account control turned off and everything. Well, at least that worked. I mean, it does say in the directions here you may have to turn off the account control, but I just wasn't expecting it. It's just so weird. Okay, I tried doing these prereqs earlier when I was trying something else, getting just the game itself, and it seemed to take forever on a virtual machine. I haven't tried doing the server yet. I was just trying to get the game because I wanted to try playing on one of their servers or one of the servers that has been put up by the public. Apparently, there's a list of them somewhere. Let's see. Do I have a link somewhere? I thought I have a link. Yeah, here's a link right here. So here's a server list. These are currently running. Doesn't look like there's like anybody on there. I mean, you have a country code, CAFR, and that says country. Zero or tweaks, and the server name are the last four. So yeah, it doesn't look like anybody's playing. But again, you could play with your friends, whatnot. Get your own server. But I'm hoping the original game is there to be able to see the worlds. There's I found this, and it says Project Giza, which is that website that I'm on there, and it says There's a few storyline objectives you can complete. You'll quickly run out of things to do. I don't think you can play this. I don't think it's going to exist in this version because it looks like this is strictly set for like team deathmatch, arena, conquest. It doesn't look like you can play the actual original game. I mean, like I said, there wasn't anything there, but you know, it would be cool to look at the world and see what they developed because there are a few like 3 or 4 worlds that you can actually visit. Where's that at? There it is. Yeah, Stargate Command, Dakara, and Harsit. So I mean, that it would be cool to be able to see those. But again, I don't think it's going to exist in this world. But we'll see what happens. Probably not. All right, I'm going to pause the video again because, again, you don't need to sit here and watch installs. So, get out of the way. Stop Windows. I'll be right back. Well, that took some time. All right. Now we still got one more to install. Wait, I guess that's not done yet. Thought it was on that pop up. I may have to pause this again. Like I said, I don't edit my videos, but I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch, an hour of, installing. For some reason, my virtual machines are just running like crap today. I was trying to do something else earlier, set up some VLANs and, for my security camera system and stuff. And I could not get these damn things to just work. Oh, come on. No, it's installing physics. All right, I'm gonna pause this again. I'm sorry. And as soon as I pause it, it ends. All right, we still gotta do this one though. Okay. Oh my God, we're finally done. All right, what's our next step? Dun dun dun. Okay. I gotta scroll way up. I went way down. Let's go back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Um. All right. After the game is extracted and the prerequisites are installed, download the launcher here. I have the launcher. That's what that is. And then it says place it in the root. The launcher will automatically place the launcher in the root SGR folder, which is one that contains the 3 folders: binary, engine, and SB game. Double click the launcher to start it. Okay. The launcher will automatically set up the game to communicate with our account system and game server list. The launcher will guide you through the quick process, which ends up starting the game for the first time. Server hosting. If you want to host your own server, click host server in the launcher. Okay, we're going to hit after the game has started and then closed. Click OK to continue. Well, I don't know. I hit OK a little too soon, I guess. Alright, so we want to host server. Apparently ranked, or is it ranked they said? Something like ranked, I don't know. I'm going to guess that our country code is going to be US, but let's go ahead and let's click code and find out. Oh, God, stop. Well, that's U.S. Virgin Island. Where's United States? Alright, where did I miss that at? I did not see it under the U's at all. I mean, I'm going to guess it's U.S. I mean, come on. Alright, we'll just leave it as U.S. Leave it at the tweak. We're going to call it NOTSO, which is 4 characters max. Apparently we got some other stuff here. Conquest. We'll keep it at that. At least I think that port's available. I don't really care right now. Time limit none. Oh, I don't have one. I'm just gonna type that in. Launch the server. You must set the server command first. Okay. Interesting. A new window will open containing your server. Server will run until you close the window. Got it. But this will always stay in the foreground, apparently. Right. Yeah, I don't think... Yeah, this is only going to play their version of the game, which kind of sucks, because I really wanted to see the original. Well, there's the actual game, which I don't think I need to run. I think I just need this to run right here. Okay, so I did that. I mean, is it up and running? Is that what all this means? Load map, etc. Okay. All right. Well, we'll assume it's up and running. Oh my God, Windows. Okay, so we have a list of servers here. Every 30 seconds it updates. I don't know if mine will update in here or not. Yeah, I could just hit refresh. Yeah, it's not going to show up in the list more than likely. I'll let it refresh itself. Maybe refreshing the web page didn't refresh this. I didn't open the port or port forward. Let's do that. Let's port forward. I did not do that. Um, I gotta log into my router. Okay, so here we are in my router. All right, we got hold on. We're on Pudgels, and that is Star Wars Galaxy, and that is IP 115. All right, I'm gonna go to settings, go to security. Oh, routing. Yeah, there it is. Port forward. Create an entry. We're gonna go Stargate Worlds. Actually, it's Stargate Resistance. You know. All right. Oh, this is the port 7777. I shouldn't need to do this because I'm internal, but you know, whatever. .2.115. And we're just gonna do same port. We're just gonna do both. Add the entry. There it is. And it still may not show up. It may not work just because I closed the actual game window, but I don't see that happening. I don't see that being the case. I mean, it did say it would show up there. Click on host server, complete all the required fields, click set command, click launch server. Your server will open a new window and it will show up in the server list within 45 seconds. You need to set a port forwarding for the port you chose. The port's not forwarded, no one outside your local network. But it should still be working. I mean, I don't even know if it's alphabetical or anything, you know, because this is like the only list. I can't expand this list at all. Okay. All right. So it looks like it's up and running. Oops. I clicked ranked by mistake on here, but you know what? Let's see if it works like localhost wise right here. God. But I still can't do this. This is going to be really, really slow if it does work, because this virtual machine does not have a lot going on for Windows. You can create an account on their website, and it'll save your stats, or you just log in with a username and no password. It'll just be generic. See, it says 0000. So that would be nothing. This right here is getting on my nerves. This window right there. Yep, I don't see it here at all. Can I do a quick join? What does that do? Okay, that automatically just throws you in somewhere. Yeah, yeah, not a fan of that. Alright, this doesn't appear to be working. Lighting needs to be rebuilt. Alright, let's try the... Let's close that. Go back to this. Oh, that's right. I lowered it. Ranked country code. We're just going to do US. Server name is 4 characters. NOTSO. We're going to do Armana. Nopa. Pyrames. Alright, capture the tech. I don't care. We already did that. Set the command. Please select the tweet code. Oh, yeah. Launch the server. A new window will open containing your server. The server will run until you close the window. Alright. Well, that looks like it's a lot more. That looks like it's a lot more than, Oh, I put in more than 4 characters. I couldn't count not so. Okay. Maybe that's why it was failing. Let's check the server list again. There it is. There it is. Nice. Now I just got to figure out how to actually log into the damn thing. Looks like I got to do the same thing. Looks like I got to do it on my desktop here. I have to install that same stuff in that same folder. So let's go ahead and let's do that. No, wait, that's I Spy. That's not what I want. We got shooter zip. Wow, it's taking this long even on my desktop. What is up with that? I'd like to know how to do the original game, because I would like to see the original game, but let's log into this first. Then maybe I'll see if I can do another video if I can find a way to log into the original game. Okay, open shooter, files, SGR. Oops, not that. The launcher. I haven't installed that other stuff, so we'll see if how bad it is. There I am. After the game has started and closed, click OK to continue. Well, there's the game right there. Interesting, it didn't close. Let me take not so. Log in. There I am. Join the battle. Lighting needs to be rebuilt. Need more to start the game. That's okay though. Well, at least you can see we're in the game. It's not letting me do anything, obviously. But I am in the game. I wonder if those teleport commands work from that website. Where's it at? You know, like maybe we can still get to these areas. What is this? Go to location. I wonder if that's a valid one right there. It's not letting me go to the bottom or anything. This is Stargate Worlds on each one of the tabs at the bottom of the document. 1,000 more rows at the bottom. Yeah, using arrow keys doesn't do anything either. I mean, right here it says 7/1/2025. Ixchel found. So, I mean, that's. Wait, how is that possible? 7/1/2025. That's. Or maybe that's January 7th, 2025. Because some countries, do it a little differently. Alright. How do I move this damn window around? I guess I can't. Let's try that. There we go. Let's try this. Wait, I don't know how to do it. Oh, so it used the same web page. Oh no, it didn't. Just open another browser like this. All right. Let's try that. Nope, doesn't work. Um, I mean, this spot may not exist, but nope. Cool. I'm just like a lasering machine. Die! Okay, well, we're in the game. You can see that it works. I'm definitely going to try to find a way to play the original game, though. I don't think that's possible. I think they've done enough to it that you can't. So anyway, with that, I will leave this video because, well, as you can see, it works. It is a quick install. I was just having some issues, apparently. So I will see you all later. Bye.